Morning, guys. I'm going to be traveling again soon. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to definitely carry you guys along. Ignore my, I don't know what's up, and ignore my nails because they're gonna be done soon. And of course, I'm carrying you guys along. I slept very well, funny enough. I can't understand why my eyes are looking funny, pale, whatever. Anyway, I'm going to be waxing my eyebrows, take a look at my hair, because that's the last time you're gonna be seeing it. This vlog. Come along with me and get ready for a trip. And yes, I'm traveling, but no, I'm not traveling to London again for people start asking me questions. I'm going to Imo State, my favorite state, and I'm going for a funeral. See you. I'm here, I'm taking out my hair. Yes, the afternoon.
Fly about the valley in the fire. Train her feet for running. Show her every door and how the windows let the sun in.
Out with the old.
This is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up. You're with the army. Ready when.
And I'm matching my nails.
This is the best part. Washing your hair.
Lions Den, speaking with the higher pen. Can't be touched by fire. Fast forward to the grown things now. I'm working.
Look at my eyebrows. I'm about to wax them. You might not be seeing any hair, but I'm seeing a whole lot. Look at the before. Wait for the after.
Never acted like I'm higher than you.
Look at the eyebrow now. After. Clean.
Send me a break, cause I need to get away, yeah. Dear God, won't you send me a break, cause I need to get away, yeah. Cause I would rather be running away. I would rather be
You know, my normal cornrows, but this one is a twist. I am increasing, I use the extensions just to more serious and more travel-like. Wait for the finished product.
All done. Me that once I eat all these kind of things, I come down with food poisoning, this one, that one. My dear, after salon, I just was passing here on my way home, but I just saw this roasted plantain, yam and all that, and I'm gonna have some.
The next day.
Good morning, guys. Today is Tuesday, the 14th of April, and I'm on my way to my office. It's currently 10:30 a.m. Today's shoot day. Usually Tuesdays are my shoot days with the whole team, so I'm pumped up and all set and ready for my shoot day. Yeah, today I'm changing. The girls gotta do what the girls gotta do. Just here, on my way to work, feeling my hair. I love it. I love it. I love it. Just got to my happy place. My happy place. My happy place. That's my office. Little showroom over here. And I was thinking I should do a little outfit check for you guys. I'm really feeling this, my hair. Wallahi. Feeling it. Feeling it. Sweet smells.
Yeah, that's sure.
Hey guys, I'm about to start shooting. Tuesdays for me are shoot days, so I promise to carry you guys along. You too. It's my pleasure. Nice to meet you. My darling, the secret is actually layering. You need to know where to put what fragrances and how many questions and so many things to discuss with you. Oh my god, I'm so excited. That's okay? Okay.
Adore him. He will give you everything. Come and take your wedding moving.
People of God, lunch just came home. Everybody's taking a break to actually eat a bit. Like, we don't try, and we're taking you guys along. Just you dip 'em. We are balling, my dear liver. We are balling.
Can't keep going.
She's doing her favorite work. Children, this one are selling your fragrance. Which one? What do you prefer?
I think I like food.
I know. It's not only Scent of April clients that get the premium treatment. Our staff get the treatment as well. Yep. This is Mio. Outfit 2 for the shoot. Yeah, Ayuba is my pilot 01. Which he didn't do. Caught in the act. Is he entering? He's entering.
Yeah.
Action, quit the stress and need no caption. Give your Instagram vacation. Yeah, work on your patience. Yeah, but you ain't facing. Yeah.
Join us, my YouTubers. I had an extremely busy Wednesday. Today's Wednesday the 15th, and this is the beautiful Abuja. I am currently heading to see a movie. Me, you, and Tuscany. I'm so looking forward to it. I'm gonna keep you guys posted. I'll carry you along as well. I am currently at Chabindi Mall, and that's where I have chosen to see the movie. Yeah, I'm gonna look for a nice sport park and go see the movie. Cutting to Javi Lake Mall. I haven't been here in like forever. I don't know why my friend chose this spot for us to go see the movie. What can I do? I'm excited for the popcorn and maybe the movie. Apparently the movie was really nice. I really liked it. And I'm at Uncle T's just because the weather is nice.
That's a vibe. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. I got you.
I knew the outdoors would be so beautiful. Like, the kind of things that give me joy. Like, the weather, nice. Guys, so I'm heading home. What's the time now? It's 10:45 actually. That's the time right there. And I'm talking to Sugar, my bestie. And I'm heading home. Yeah. Just got to the airport, and that's my sister friend. We're traveling together. Yes, girl. Let's do this.
On my mind. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. I got you on my side. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. That's a vibe.
Was it your honeymoon?
What? It has to be.
We're about to board Epic to Owerri.
Under defeated, that's my reigning king. This that, this that good news. Me.
Life in Imo, the best state.
Wait, the red state?
I said the best state.
Ah.
Well, my best state. Unrivaled Imo State.
Good afternoon.
We just got to Mbano.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Amaka, tell us where we are.
My country home. Good afternoon. How are you?
When?
My country home is Okenso.
Okenso. Okay.
That's right.
Okay.
Yep.
So Amaka has this, tradition or something she just does. That's her mother-in-law and father-in-law's grave. So she just goes to say hello. She goes to greet them.
Forgot to love this girl that he gave me you. So I fall to my knees and I pray you. And I cannot deny that you are the one for me. You gave your life, I gave my life, I won't run.
That's her country home indeed. Stay with us. But you guys have our humidifiers now. Maybe they are not on.
Yeah, they're not on.
Hey guys, so can you spot one of our electric humidifiers? Are you playing? All the way in Mbano. Mbano. These are her kids. See how they were small here. Chai. Those are the boys and the girls. Okay, the girls, this is their current picture, Sha. Like a little more current than the boys. For memory's sake.
The kid said, "Mommy, can you remove these photos?" I'm like, no.
Guys, this diffuser is 2 years old. Of course, it's from Scents of April.
April, y'all.
2 long years old. My goodness. My goodness.
Yes.
I'll do for you. Want you to know I'm all in. I'll do.
This goat meat was roasted like okunere. That's my food. Yes, please. That's my food. All set for the service of songs. My friend's uncle, service of songs. I had to tie my hair because Catholic churches don't let people in without, tying their hair. So we're heading out now.
That is serious content creation.
We are, huh?
Serious content creation.
This vlog is for you. But no vlog. We have changed and we're off to the service of songs. So they're the reason I'm here. Dinner is served after the service of songs.
Want you to know I'm all in. What do you want me to show you that I'm all in? With the look, I'm food enough.
Hey,
Well, life in where? What did you call it? What's the name of this place?
this place is Good morning, guys. It's day 2 in Mbano for my friend's uncle's funeral. And today's a funeral day. Yesterday was service of songs. I'm sure you've seen a few clips. I'll definitely be carrying you guys along.
Breakfast is served. This is exactly what I wanted. 1 coffee and 2 boiled eggs. That would be all for now till much later.
Feeling far away, but I'm close. You know me by my name, but I chose the world instead of you. Had no clue why the days were so blue. Only if I recognize you're not a man like you.
For they shall be comforted.
There's hope for tomorrow with him. There's joy in sorrow. There is no greater love than this. I find peace in knowing I'm here. Walking alone
Yeah, I don't mind.
this weary
Apple, I really love the apple.
heavy burdens on my shoulders with no one to bear the load.
Think it was over. No, it's not. I'm actually at Protea Poolside right now. Protea Imo Select. I ordered peppered chicken. Nico, please, can you help me open it? I ordered peppered chicken and sweet potatoes. And that's stout. My new favorite drink. Yeah, peppered chicken looks good. Sister Lee, you're eating it. Asa is definitely here. Asa Kibeya is here.
I'm white.
You're not eating? Why?
I just don't feel like it. I don't have any appetite.
This is what? Sweet potato. Okay. Join me, guys. It's about to rain.
Before you get to
Last night in Imo. Raining. Sunday the 19th, I think. Party weekend is over. Azasa. And we're
So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. Nothing to say like the top down. God is what's more way to live right now. So let's not waste another day. Come to find out to season. Nothing to say like the top down.
back in the bush. Back in the bush. Abuja.
Blood dripping from my arm, just wanna feel inside. Too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide.